Welcome to Interior Design, from blueprint to beautiful reality. In this video, I'll take you on a journey from the initial blueprint to the stunning transformation of interior spaces. In the world of interior design, every masterpiece starts with a blueprint, a vision brought to life on paper. As an aspiring interior designer, you are stepping into a world where creativity knows no bounds. But how do you turn these blueprints into reality that leaves a lasting impression? Step 1. Vision and concept. Every project begins with a unique vision and concept. It's the foundation of your design journey. Step 2. Planning and detailing. Once you have a vision, it's time to plan and detail every aspect. From the choice of materials to color schemes, this step is the heart of your blueprint. Step 3. Implementation and execution. With a blueprint in hand, it's time to bring your design to life. Coordinating with your team, contractors, vendors, and overseeing every detail is the only key. Step 4. The big reveal. The moment you have been waiting for, the big reveal. This is when your vision transforms into a beautiful reality. Now, it's a time for us as an experienced interior designer who has mastered the journey from blueprint to beautiful reality. From the very first blueprint to find a beautiful reality, interior designing is a journey that inspires, transforms, and enriches so many lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey in my small video from blueprint to beautiful reality. Stay tuned for more such valuable insights to help you excel in the world of interior design. This is me, Bhakti Akshay from Bhakti Interior Prop. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye guys. Stay blessed. Take care.